Ayun, nagbabalik ang Letters and Music. Siyempre, kasama pa rin natin si Matteo Gudicelli.
Yes,
Yun,
in our own
What's up? What's up? Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
Nako, thank you for guesting.
Oh, no, thank you.
Ang naming busy-busy yung schedule at napagbigyan
isang,
mo kami.
Wow,
isang
naman.
karangalan na makasama ang isang napakahusay, napaka-talented na Matteo Gudicelli.
Wow.
Naniniwala ko yung mga viewers natin, tuwan-tuwa.
Ay,
Talaga.
nako.
Sana. Hi guys. Hi everybody watching. Kamusta
Yun,
kayo
no?
lahat?
Kinikilig na, nagtitili na yung sa kanilang
Naku,
tahanan.
dahil dyan, Kuya Ayan, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung mga
Oo nga.
yung album ni Kuya
Tama.
Matteo.
Yes,
Kasi kanina nag-focus tayo sa mga Facebook questions natin. Ngayon naman, it's our turn.
Tayo naman ang magtatanong ng
Tayo
mga
naman
questions
magtatanong kay
natin.
Kuya Matteo. Simulan na natin about sa iyong album.
Alright.
Tell us something about your album.
Basically, this is my first album produced by Star Music. It has 6 tracks. My main producer here, his name's Kid Wolf.
Wolf?
He's Bisaya also. He's from Davao. And basically, he's a EDM guy. He's a DJ.
Oh, I
DJ siya.
see.
So, yung ginawa namin, my style, yung lumang style with the new style, very electric, combined. So, you're gonna see a lot of, there's covers, there's 3 covers, old songs, Ewan, sa kanya, at saka, You Filled Up My Senses. But it's all in the different arreglos. It's very electric, very modern, modern arrangements.
So who chose the songs sa album?
We
Yung
did. We all did. We had a
originals?
team. Yeah, we sat down and we chose songs. My basis for choosing the songs is like, dapat it had to be super relatable to me. Dapat it had to, it had to happen to me one part of my life. So all those songs are very close to me and means a lot, kumbaga.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Naku, tanungin nga natin.
Yung
Ano
kanina,
ba dito yung ngayon, nagde-describe sa iyong buhay ngayon? Ano sa mga
Ayan.
songs mo dito sa
Lahat.
album?
Marami dyan eh. Lahat.
So this is, talaga si Matteo talaga ng album na to.
Oo.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, lahat talaga. You know, especially ipapadama na lang my carrier single.
Ayun.
It goes, ipapadama na lang sa'yo ang aking nadarama sa'yo. It's like, I just want you to feel what I'm
Tama.
feeling. I don't have to say it. I don't have to tell you. You just have to feel me.
So sobrang na-feel ko nga kanina.
Hindi mo
Hindi
naman
Hindi ko na Hindi ko na
Super LSS na si Kuya Ayan
grabe.
dun sa
Catchy,
song mo
super
eh.
catchy.
Download
siya.
mo mamaya sa Spotify, bro.
Ay, na-download ko na
Ay,
mamaya.
naman.
Buburahin ko na lahat ng song ko sa phone ko.
Sige Promise.
Para lang dun.
Ang ganda ng picture ni Kuya Matteo. Nabalitaan
Oo
ko
nga.
ay isang photographer friend mo from Cebu.
Yes, he's my friend, my buddy, my teammate before actually. His name's Jan Gonzalez. So I'm from Cebu, so I wanted for my first. I wanted to take everything where I started. I started in Cebu with my original friends, my Cebuano friends. So I used all of them. My photographer friend, especially nung nag-shoot kami ng music video para sa Ipapadama, shoot namin sa Cebu mismo, sa mga lugar na pinupuntahan ko palagi nung bata pa ako.
Ay,
So
wow,
I wanted to take
reminiscing.
everything back home, kumbaga.
Ayun.
Did you record the album sa Cebu din?
No, yun lang.
Ano question ka? Yung
Hindi talaga.
balita ko dito sa album na to, meron kang collaboration with Miss Regine Velasquez.
Yes, I do.
Kamusta naman ang iyong experience doon?
Wow, it's a big wow, alam mo yun. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako makapaniwala na nandyan siya sa album ko, alam mo yun. Siyempre, we know she's the songbird, Asia's songbird. She's amazing, you know, and it's so surreal na she's there. Every time I listen to the song, parang, totoo ba to?
Dream
Nung
come true,
nag-record
eh,
ba
no?
kayo? Magkasama kayo sa studio?
Hindi, separate.
Ay,
We were separate.
Pero
separate
kasama
days.
naman yung boss nila sa album. Ayan.
Yeah,
Siyempre,
yeah.
makakaabang
Ito may
natin.
question naman ako. May mga challenges ka ba? Ano yung pinakamatanding challenges na pinagdaanan mo during your recording habang ginagawa to sa process ng pagpaproduce ng buong album na ito?
Basically, it's very nice. Something very good that month we were recording. I was very, kumbaga, very passionate, very emotional. A lot of
Wow.
stuff was going around in my life, so it was nice to record the songs because I went in the studio with my heart full. Kumbaga,
Ay,
alam mo yun?
wow.
Talagang
So,
handang-handa.
Inspired. Di ba?
Yeah.
Binuhos
So,
lang niya
Yes.
doon.
At ito naman kasabay ng album ay
Tama.
magkakaroon ng concert si Kuya Matteo.
Yes.
Ito nga.
Naku,
Diba?
tell us something about the concert
yeah, guys,
naman.
it's called MG1 at the Music Museum, November 28, 8 p.m. End of the month. And Mr. Martin Rivera and Morissette, they're our guests. And Mr. Martin Rivera, he's the writer of the whole show. He's
Ay,
writing the whole
wow.
show for me.
Wow.
So yeah, and
First yata to. First ba to ni Sir Martin?
MG1.
to write.
Hindi, to write
ako,
for concert.
He's been
ganyan.
writing but quietly lang.
Ay,
I think,
ganon.
that's his
Wow.
passion, his hobby. So basically yun, it's MG1 at the Music Museum. For tickets, go on Ticket World, 891-9999. Sana makakuha kayong tickets, please.
Alright.
And we'll have a good time together.
Nako, for sure.
Oh,
Oo,
sigurado.
oo.
Mapapaganon kayo doon. Ako. Ito, fast talk muna tayo.
Yeah.
Pili ka lang doon sa isa sa mga ano namin. Learn more about singing or learn more about acting?
YouTube.
I know, but both, I don't know.
Ang hirap,
I guess
no?
right now, singing first. Singing right
Sing
now,
first, oo. Kasi ang daming kayang gawin ni Kuya
Tama.
Mateo eh.
At saka akala ko, alam ko, karerista nga siya.
Oo,
diba?
Yeah, dati.
diba? Tapos ang dami ngayon, nag-marathon, triathlon,
Naisip mo na ba mag-circus?
Ano pa bang hindi niya kayang gawin? And ito, if you'll be given a chance to write a song now, anong unahin mo? Music first or lyrics first?
Lyrics first.
Lyrics first.
Yeah.
Do you also play an instrument?
I play the drums, but
Wow.
yeah.
Paano kayo mag-compose ng song ng drums ng
Yeah.
gamit? Parang medyo mahirap, no? Okay, here's another
Eto to,
question.
kung hindi ka singer or actor ngayon, sino at nasaan ang isang Mateo Gutierrez?
Lover. Ewan ko.
Wow.
Lover.
Sobrang
Lover in
hopeless
Maria.
romantic.
Hindi ko alam. I don't know. I have no idea. Racing?
Racing.
Maybe,
Still
yeah.
racing. Do you still race?
No
till
more,
now?
no more
No
na,
more
no
na.
more na.
What do you drive ba?
I used to do touring cars before and go-karts before a long time
Wow.
ago.
Have you tried F1?
No. Only Marlon Stockinger. We only have one Filipino that tried the Formula 1 car. So, yun. He's there now in Europe testing and trying to become in Formula 1 by next year
Woo!
sana.
Malupet. Nako,
Bale, hindi naman
dahil...
singer na siya eh.
Oo. Nako, dahil dyan, Kuya Mateo, come on, let's
Mukhang
join us.
naghihintay
Kuya
na sa atin
Batoy,
dun eh.
Medyo inihintay na tayo. Dito tayo ulit magpapaalaman ng
Ayan
kursa.
na.
Asan.
Nakakatuwa,
Ayos.
DJ Batoy. So, ang
Oh.
daming nagagawa talaga ni Kuya Mateo.
Super talented si
Oh,
Mr.
tsaka
Mateo.
pag ginagawa niya yung mga bagay na yon, pag nakafocus siya, talagang ginagawa niya 100%.
Actually, naging artist. Tapos ito ngayon, up on the full swing promoting his brand new album, debut album. What else, di ba?
Tama.
Siyempre, mga artist na ganito, yung mga talento na yan, dapat hindi sinasayang yan, pinapakita yan.
Tama!
Correct.
Yun.
Oo, treasure yan, treasure. At
Okay.
dahil dyan ako, maraming salamat
Thank you
Kuya
very
Mateo,
much
for
sa inyo.
guesting
Sana
sa
magkita-kita po tayo sa November 20.
Ay, naku.
Ay, ayan.
Sana.
Siyempre naman.
Thank
At
you.
syempre pa, sana rin magkita-kita tayo sa November 6 dahil syempre meron tayo.
November 6?
Ayan o, November 6. Oo, Music in Our Hearts pa rin sa Quezon City Memorial Circle. Abangan ang event na yan sa Eagle Rock and Rhythm All Access next week, November 16 to November 20. Dito lang yan sa Letters and Music. Syempre, last Friday yan naganap. Kaya
Oo,
maraming
tama.
salamat
I-update
sa lahat ng dumalo. at
Yun, no?
nagpunta.
Siyempre, nagsayahan tayo. No?
At dahil dyan,
Dahil dyan, lagi maging updated sa mga happenings dito sa Letters and Music. Just log on to our Facebook page, facebook.com/lettersandmusic. Send us an email at lettersandmusic25@gmail.com. Mapapanood nyo din ang mga past segment at episodes ng Letters and Music sa youtube.com/lettersandmusic.
alright.
In relation to that, mapapanood nyo din kami at ang iba pang programs ng Net25 via live streaming. Just log on to eaglebroadcasting.net/net25TV.
At syempre pa kung hindi pa kayo makaget over sa Nako ulitin natin yan sa ating encore telecast. Everyday yan, 11 p.m. Syempre dito pa rin sa Net25. At dahil dyan magpapaalam na kami. Magkita-kits tayo tomorrow. My name is Apple Chu and I'm one with 25.
Si Batoings po para sa Letters and Music and I am one with 25.
I am Ian Dano and I'm one with 25.
I'm Mateo, I'm one with 25.
He's one with 25.
See you tomorrow. Enjoy your Monday.